Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to add a background image or color to video footage in Adobe Premiere. I've added a few video clips to my timeline that I'd like to add a background image to. Before adding your background, drag to select all clips you'd like the background to appear behind and drag them up one track as shown. This way you'll have an empty track below to put your background image on. Now, if you already have a background image imported, simply drag it onto the empty track and extend it so that its duration matches the length of your clips. Alright, that looks good, but let's say you'd prefer a matte colored background instead of an image. Let's undo everything and go over to our project panel. Select New Item and then Color Matte. Just hit OK on the first pop-up, choose your desired color and hit OK again. Then add a name if necessary. I'll call mine Blue and go OK one last time. Now your new color matte background will show on your project panel over here. Drag it onto the empty timeline track below your other clips and extend it to match. And now you have a matte blue background. Keep in mind that if you don't like the color, you can simply double click the color map clip on your timeline at any time to change it. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.